Welcome back to another Inspirio tutorial. Today we're diving into a topic that's a game changer for anyone looking to boost their online presence and make some serious cash. We're talking about the money-making advantages of offering a free ebook. Stay tuned. This could be the key to unlocking your online success. First and foremost, offering a free ebook is a fantastic way to build your email list. Ebooks are an excellent lead magnet, enticing visitors to share their email addresses. With a growing email list, you can market your products or services directly to potential customers. Here's how it works. You first advertise or promote your ebook on your website, say in a blog or social media, or for example, YouTube. Your visitors like what you showed or said about your ebook and clicks on the link to get the ebook. They are then taken to a squeeze page. A squeeze page is not like a landing page. A squeeze page has a singular focus to capture information such as a name or email address. Its purpose is to squeeze your visitor into giving you their name and email address. Your visitor then puts their name and email address in the squeeze page form. They hit submit, download, or next, and are now taken to a link to your ebook, often called a download page. In exchange, you now have their name and email address. The name and email address is like a golden nugget that through proper marketing, you can generate current and future sales. With a growing email list, you can market your products or services directly to potential customers. Another advantage of offering ebooks is to encourage clicks on your website. People love free stuff. By offering a valuable ebook, you entice visitors to explore your website further, increasing the chances of them discovering and engaging with other content. In your ebook, strategically place clickable links that drive traffic to your website, or affiliate links. Captivating content piques readers' interest, compelling them to seek more information. Discourage website bounces. Ever wonder how to reduce bounce rates on your website? A free ebook can do the trick. When visitors see an offer for a valuable content, they are more likely to stick around, explore, and ultimately decrease your website bounce rate. Grow social followers. Capture the power of social media by including social follow buttons in your ebook. Readers who love your content can easily connect with you on their favorite platforms, expanding your reach and influence. Encourage your audience to share your ebook with their friends and followers. This not only expands your reach, but also attracts new potential customers to your platform. A free ebook can help you establish authority. When you offer a well-crafted ebook, you position yourself as an authority in your niche. This builds trust with your audience, making them more likely to consider your paid products or services in the future. A free ebook serves as an excellent gateway to upsell your premium products or services. Once your audience recognizes the value you provide, they'll be more likely or more inclined to invest in what you have to offer. Make money from affiliate opportunities. Consider including affiliate links within your ebook. If your audience finds the recommendations valuable, it's a win-win. You provide useful content and you earn a commission from the affiliate partnership. And there you have it, the money-making advantages of offering a free ebook. Whether you're looking to grow an email list, boost a website engagement, or establish yourself as an authority, a well-crafted ebook can open up a world of opportunities. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more content. If you would like to see how easy it is to create an ebook, check out the linked video. Until next time, I wish you the best of success.